what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head.
Good morning, y'all. We are on day 2 of our vacation, y'all. We're gonna see what we can get into today. We about to go to breakfast, get something to eat. Hopefully breakfast is really good.
Night.
And then we probably gonna go hang out on the beach. So
hey, that's true.
Go.
We had a long night. It's time to go eat. So yeah.
Time to go eat.
What she said. Let's go.
Okay, so we made it inside, y'all, and this is the menu. Raymond also has a QR code. They'll just get a QR code and you get it on your phone. And this is Beloved. Is it Beloved or Beloved? Beloved?
Beloved.
I'm gonna call it Beloved Lounge Restaurant. We ate here last night, but they also have breakfast. They brought us this little cute bread basket right here. He already working on his toast that he said is to perfection.
Man, this is really good. Salt bread. And it's kind of warm.
So my Mexican, I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna call it my Mexican breakfast came. Avocado, beans and chips, a little Mexican scramble. I'm not mad. One thing I can say, if you're eating at an actual restaurant, the food is pretty good.
The bean dip is good.
Also, our pancakes came. We got the hot cakes and they looking real nice.
Woo!
Okay, y'all, we are so freaking full.
Man.
The food was good. I have to say, if you come here, make sure y'all eating at the restaurants, getting reservations for the restaurants, going to breakfast for the restaurants because the food was good.
Perfecto.
The other food, the snack bar and the buffet, know about all of that. But the restaurant's
they
pretty
did
good.
have the ice cream. They did have the ice cream and the crepes downstairs. That was delicious. I tell you that.
It was okay.
It was good.
But yeah, we're about to go down here to the beach and see if we can, you know, chill out, see something, sit in a little bed thing. We want to get in a little bed thing. Okay, y'all, so me and Raymond are over here on our little swing bed. And why do we get to be over here?
We privileged. VIP, baby.
We privileged. Apparently we're privileged, so we get to be in this little section. It's not for like a, I guess, a regular room. I thought we did a regular room, but apparently we didn't, which is great because now we get to be in this little swing bed.
I need a pina colada and relax.
I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like over here. Okay, so here's Raymond in the bed, and this is like a little swing. Look, y'all.
Swing
Look
me.
at this. I'm swinging him.
Swing me. Swing me.
Look. He rocking.
Swing me.
And then this is the rest of the area. They have like little shaded areas, beds, lounge chairs. It's cute. We about to relax and we will see y'all when we doing something else. Okay, y'all, so we end up getting kicked out of that area. That's not the privileged area, that's the exclusive. Cold. So now we finna go to our area, but we did enjoy it while we were over there. So let's go see what our area look like. Raymond's about to go see how much the massages are. So we found our area over here. And it's looking real, not as fancy as the other one. We finna find a chair though. Okay, so here's our new chairs. We have an umbrella. And this is the view of the lake. How do you like your new spot?
Yes. It's okay. Not too bad.
Oh, the lagoon. What is this? Oh, look, they're doing
What? Kayak?
yeah.
You like this?
I do. I always want the kayak. Okay, we just gonna hang out in our new spot and at least there's a breeze. At least there's a breeze. You feel the breeze?
Yeah, I feel it. You don't got no.
Just hanging out, and that guy over there, he came and asked for our drinks. Did we want something to drink? I'm trying to get him, y'all. He moving fast. Nice man. He brought us our drink. And what did you end up getting?
We got the house special, the
What is it?
Margarita Gordon, and
Margarita.
I do not like it at
I knew
all.
you wasn't gonna like it. You always ask for something special and you
I
hate
don't
it.
like it.
And he got him a Coke. I got me a
I need-
Diet Coke.
I need to get some Jack. Get Jack and Coke. I need to find that guy.
And then I got me a mango margarita. With that being said, Raymond always asks for something that's new and he hates it every time. And he always asks for it anyway. I don't know why you always do that. You better drink that. Enjoy. Let me see if this is good. Tahim on the rim. It's like a daiquiri.
It tastes good.
But it's margarita.
You like it?
Boop. All right, so me and Raymond about to go to the room. We've been sitting out for like an hour, probably 2 hours, sitting out there. on the little beach with the chairs and stuff. He is about to take our towels back, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna get into next.
Don't forget, when these towels get dropped off, we're gonna get those shots. So y'all gonna come with us when we get these shots. Whoa!
We'll probably eat again.
So now we're already got our transportation settled. They're gonna come pick us up Friday, early in the morning. So we got that squared away. We got our free spot for the tomorrow, I think at 3 o'clock. So we just got that set over there. So now it's time to go get our drink on. Look, Rosin.
Gang, gang.
Gang, 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 gang. Gang, gang. Let's get these drinks in our system.
Maybe it's cause we young. Got time and we're wasted.
All right, so Raymond is maneuvering all of the furniture so we can shot.
One, day number 2.
Shot.
How many shots we gonna get today? Don't know yet.
Yeah, not that many, not 10. Yesterday we had 10.
Ridiculous.
Today,
That was
no.
ridiculous. That was
Probably
ridiculous.
2. These 2 right here.
Say that was ridiculous yesterday.
This is kind of like 4 though, and yesterday was kind of like 20 because they had the shots this full.
Ooh.
He didn't get tequila though, so he could be sick. He got whiskey. He got whiskey, baby.
Whiskey.
You know what whiskey do?
Got whiskey.
You put hair on your chest.
I got some whiskey.
You want hair on your chest?
I need some hair on my chest.
No, you don't.
I need some hair on
The
my
baby got hair on
chest.
his chest already.
You ready? Round 1. Fight.
Fight.
I love how you look at me. Feeling low, nothing to lose.
Those shots ain't no joke. What you think? What you say?
They joking. They funny.
I know the tension's gone now. And there you are.
Hey, look, we took those shots. I'm still not feeling myself, so I'm about to go get me a drink. I wish they had Crown, man. They don't got no Crown. I love Crown. They go rise.
I feel shots. I feel them 2 shots.
Shots. She don't want no more. She tapped out. You tapped out? The baby tapped out. Hey, y'all, so look. We said we wasn't gonna get no more shots, so we were like, you know what? That shot, ooh, I got dark too. Jesus. Being in the sun, whew.
He been dark. Shot.
Anyway,
shot.
we was gonna get no more shots.
Shot.
We was gonna get no more shots, but we were like, hey, you know what? We paid for it, so why not? So we got some more shots. Yes, sir. What we'll do, we'll take these shots, and then we'll go get some food.
Tell your daddy.
Say, Dad, if you're watching this, I know you are.
Like Megan.
I guess my wife a freak.
That's
But
not what
anyway,
that means.
Anyway, look, check it out. We're gonna take these shots. We're gonna take these shots. We're gonna go get something to eat. And what you think?
And then we're gonna take some more shots.
Yeah. Get some more shots. Yeah, we'll get some more shots.
More shots,
so,
guys.
Let's go. She's drunk.
Y'all, it's crazy out here. I don't know what it is about Jose Cuervo. Is it Cuervo? That man is efficient.
Hey, look. So it's time to go eat. So I just want to give y'all a view where we at. So this the view. So we come down this ramp. There's all kind of food over there.
We're just trying to make it to the food.
Hey, look, this the life to live.
I don't want to live my life drunk.
We back, fast and rich ass.
This is what I have, a mixture, and that's what Raymond has. We at the buffet. So we are over here. We have a really good view over here. We got some ice cream. Raymond got his banana split. My banana split is melting because I've been waiting on Raymond's, but we're gonna sit here, eat our banana split. Look at this view, beautiful, right in front of the volleyball net.
All again, so I keep pushing rewind.
All right, y'all. Why we on the wall though? Anyway, we're about to go to the pool. We can't bring y'all with us because I wish we would mess this camera up. But Raymond, he excited because he know I don't like getting in the pool because ill. But I'm gonna get in the pool. They playing like some fine tunes over there. They playing fine tunes. And hopefully they still playing it. Because if we get there and they not playing it, I'm coming back to put my clothes on.
What?
Okay, y'all, we are about to go to dinner. We don't really know where yet. Hopefully it don't take too long. But y'all check Raymond out. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. He's trying to coordinate with me, y'all. I wore a little pink. He threw his little pink shirt on. All right, so we decided that we're gonna eat at the burger place.
Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Or don't you wanna do it all again? Start to repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side.
So here's our little table set up. Nothing special, but we do have like a little corner ocean view over there. All right, y'all, so our margaritas came. Cheers. So yeah, pretty good, huh?
Yeah, taste like strawberry.
All right, so our burger came. It's here. Raymond got the same thing as I got.
They're
They
fresh.
gave us fries and they gave us this. Oh, okay, I thought it was just gonna be this.
Okay, it's fresh.
It's pretty good.
It's fresh, yeah.
All right. So far, so good. Okay, so dinner was okay. I'm not a burger fan. I'm not a burger fan. Raymond said that his burger was like 5 out of 10, so it was all right. We about to go up here and see what they got going on with all this music.
Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
We back, so
Okay, y'all, so we're about to watch the Moulin Rouge show. They have a show, so that's pretty cool.
I like the
I'm gonna try
light.
to get some footage for y'all. Okay, y'all, so we just went to the Moulin Rouge show, and it was pretty good. It was way better than expected. It was pretty nice. It did give me cruise vibes, though.
good morning, y'all. I can't tell you what day it is,
Wow.
but you know what we about to do. Yes, sir.
He
About
brought
to start off with some shots early.
He brought us Guatemalan shots. Pretty cool. I'm gonna take it on my reels though. I'll tell you how it tastes. 1, 2, 3, look.
So we got some more shots.
Okay, we got a cinnamon cream shot.
So we got some cinnamon cream shot. Cinnamon cream. So we're about to see how it tastes. This is my buddy here. This is from Francisco.
Yes, tequila.
Tequila. Yes, sir. Gang, gang. I'm not going to take my shot because I don't like it. But I'm going to take a shot of these. I
Oh,
don't
it's
like
a coffee shot. This is good because it tastes like coffee.
Ooh.
The top is warm and the bottom is cold.
Ooh. What you say? You like it?
Y'all, the guy keeps on bringing us shots. This is like I know this is like our 6th shot after we get finished with these. This is our last day here, so I guess it's a shot type of day. It's our last night here, and we're about to go to the Asian restaurant. I must say, this place was all right, y'all. At first, I wasn't very sure, but I think it's worth coming to.
That's fact.
I think it is. It's worth coming to, especially if they have a sale. So, out of 5, I'm gonna give this like a 4. 4 out of 5.
I give it a 5. Cause they got
Let's go
ice
see
cream.
what they got to eat. So we are going to, I think it's Ayami. We're going to Ayami. That's
I
pretty.
might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper.
All right, so this is a really cute setup, y'all. Look at this. This is the waiting part. We got our reservations moved up, so we're waiting for our table, but it's really cute. All right, so I just opted for a Diet Coke since Raymond didn't want anything. I didn't even know it was gonna be a hibachi grill, but a hibachi.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is.
Okay, y'all, the food was bomb. It was delicious. We didn't know it was gonna be a hibachi, but it was hibachi. Best thing we ate.
Boy, stomach hurting right now.
Don't
You
even
heard
know
me.
how we got reservations because literally you can't get reservations. It's really hard to get reservations here, but we did, and I'm glad we got to go to that restaurant.
Look, that rice and that broccoli, off the chain, you heard me. Now we're about to go hit up the Mexican party.
With it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. One pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one.